These protect your house from overloads, short circuits, and electric shocks. MCB, Miniature Circuit Breaker. A miniature circuit breaker automatically switches off electrical power during an overload or short circuit. It protects wiring and appliances and can be reset manually after tripping. RCD, Residual Current Device. An RCD detects leakage currents when electricity flows through an unintended path, such as a person. It cuts power instantly to prevent electric shocks. RCBO, Residual Current Breaker with Overcurrent Protection. An RCBO combines the functions of both an MCB and an RCD. It protects against overloads, short circuits, and earth leakage, making it ideal for individual circuit protection. Main switch, isolator. A main switch, also known as an isolator, is a device used to manually disconnect the entire electrical supply to a building or system. It allows safe maintenance or emergency shutdown and is usually installed at the main distribution board. A fuse is a safety device that contains a thin wire. When too much current flows, the wire melts and breaks the circuit. It's simple, but must be replaced after it blows. Common in older systems. Distribution boards, DB panels. A distribution board DB panel is the central unit that distributes electrical power to different circuits in a building. It houses circuit breakers, the main switch, and protection devices, ensuring safe and organized power supply throughout the home or facility. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content on home electrical safety.